Okay, so you have the apples. Okay, now let's get out the chocolate. They're like Rice Krispies. So here's what these little protein bars, protein cups.
What are you doing? Oliver the kissy kisses. What? You're so cute. Look, can I get kisses? Big baby. Are you done? Huh? I love you so much too, honey. Oliver. You want to get kisses? Stop talking to yourself. Hey. Testing. Come see Mama. Hey. What? You're talking to yourself. It doesn't even make sense. It's your own words. Are you done? You want kisses? Look in your what? Where's my kisses? What's dirty? I don't know. You're making up your own words. Kisses. Mwah. That's good huggy huggies. What are you doing? You're braiding my hair.
Oh, baby boy.
I love you so much. Are you done? Oliver.
Come see Daddy.
What are you doing on Daddy's head? This cute. You're welcome. You want my kisses? What are you doing? What is she doing? I love you too. Look at I love you. Hi. Hi, Sophia. What are you doing? I love you, Oliver. You're my sweet baby boy. I love you so much. Thank you, boy. I love you so much. You're my sweet baby boy.